Does this look familiar? The last 2 times I've had cereal is when I'm sick. I can't believe I'm sick again. I have a doctor's appointment in the morning, so hopefully I can get some medication to help this, because I've been sick for 2 weeks, and this doesn't happen to me. Like a cold lasts for 2 weeks, and it's getting worse, so I think I need to go to the doctor. But yeah, I swear I do more than just sit in bed and eat cereal. It's 7 o'clock. I just got home from work. Living the life. Gosh. Still sick, but Alex just went to the gas station. He said, "Can I get you anything? You're out of milk. I'll get you some milk for your cereal in the morning." And I said, "Okay." And then I said, "I'd take a brownie." He said, "Okay, I'll get you a brownie." He comes home. He comes home with none other than a cosmic brownie. Oh my. This is what I was wanting, but I didn't think you could get them. I mean, I don't know. I was just thinking like you could get them in a little Debbie box, but not like singular like this. I'm so happy. What did I tell you? These vlogs are a lot of food. But I've been sleeping basically for 2 days, and I'm finally going back to work today, so I just got a green juice. I think it has ginger, honey, cayenne, apples, greens, lemon, I'm not sure what else. Whoo! Just want me for my Qdoba? Gracie, who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Oh yeah, she's so cute. She's so cute. No, I didn't give her food. There she goes. Oh my gosh, it's pumpkins! I'm so excited! Pumpkins! It smells so good. Yes. Menu so far.
Potatoes.
Potatoes. Wait till you see. These aren't just any potatoes. They're going with something quite special. We've got a little Gouda action over here. Some steak action over here. Just wait. Are you gonna Salt Bae it?
No.
Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
What? Oh. Don't, Alex, don't! Ah, don't! Stop! It's in my butt! Stop! You only did that for the vlog. Attention seeker. God!
Oh, you're opening it right now?
Yeah. Nice notes. Perfect. Yum. Those look so good. And the secret masterpiece. What is inside? We will soon find out. Well, look at you trying not to laugh. Oh my gosh. Oh, my creation. Go taters. Here, you can put the other one on this thing. The secret concoction is not coming out. Is coming out. Is not coming out. Is not. He's testing it. Nope. Are you nervous?
Mm-hmm.
It looks promising on the side.
Yeah.
This is so carby and good.